Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and I'm almost finished with my Yamaha Fjr1300. Today I'm going to show you the finishing touch. Something you can do on your bike, make yourself happy and your bike, and it costs barely nothing. The only thing you need is a bottle with some oil, just engine oil. And I'm going to show you to lubricate all the rotating sliding points. Come on over and we start. Now, first thing I'm going to do is lubricate the center stand. That's a bit difficult. Now, then, wait a minute, get my paper. Clean this. Then we got the center stand. Give that a loop too. The rear side. Up. A bit in, and don't forget this rotating point of the spring. Whoa. Way too much. Yes. See? Okay. Hop. So. Yes, and then we got squeaky noises. Always push that pin a bit out, and then when I put a drop onto there, it goes into that pin over here too, and there also. Hop. Back in place. Wipe. See, so easy. Cost nothing. Now. Okay, and then. Oof. Oh. I feel it scraping. Not good. Not in my lifetime. Here, here, hop, hop, hop. Then a bit again over there. There. Then. See? Now it goes smooth. The way I want it. The way I want it. Okay. So. Hop. So easy guys, and in time this is gonna rust, especially when you don't use it too much. And now goes perfect. This one, yes. This one, yes. Sure to clean it as it's up and over here. And now I'm gonna lubricate all the rotating points. There, push this one a bit out. So it goes underneath and then over there. It's so easy, and it's so now I'm sure that it's not going to rust or keeps supple, so to speak. Then we got this one. There is one over here. Okay, I'm gonna put over there. So wipe it clean a bit, drips out. Over here we got another, that's not rotating, sliding point. Give that a bit of oil too. Okay. Yes. Then, first give it a bit of a clean like this. So I say this, so you don't get your heels onto the exhaust. Nice. Well done, Yamaha. Then this. Yes, it's already much better. Okay, this side a bit too. Yeah. Wow. Click, clack, click, clack, click, clack, click, clack. Okay. Wow. See, stuff comes out. Okay. Nice. Now, so guys, this was my quick video, more quick, about how to make your bike and yourself happy. It's good maintenance, costs barely nothing. I hope that you enjoyed my video as much as I enjoyed it making it for you. See you the next time. Old Mechanic.